Hi, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make very easy and delicious oatmeal raisin cookie with cinnamon. I love baking this cookie during holiday and it's one of my staple dessert. I bring it and share with my family and friend, and then I am very excited about sharing this recipe. For this recipe, I'm not going to use any kind of stand mixer or hand mixer or food processor. I'm going to just make it with a old traditional tool. But if you have any of that, pull it out. It's perfectly fine for you to use it. And then let me show you how that is done. So okay, first these are the ingredients. Some all-purpose flour and the rolled oat, have to be rolled oat, and then half cup of raisin, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and then these are half teaspoon of baking soda and salt, 1/4 cup of regular sugar, white sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 egg room temperature, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I mean, that's my choice. I want to put this much. And then also 1 stick of the very soft unsalted butter. So in a big bowl, I'm going to put stick of unsalted butter. And after that, I'm going to put 1/4 cup of white sugar. Gradually sugar, mix it very well. Like I said, this task, if you have stand mixer or hand mixer or even food processor, that's gonna make this process easier. But I don't want to use it and wash it and all of the things, so I'm gonna just use manual tool. Brown sugar, cup of that. It looks well mixed, and next I'm gonna put my vanilla extract and mix it very well, and 2 eggs, room temperature. Next, I'm gonna prepare my dry ingredient, and this is 1.5 cup of white flour. In here, I'm gonna put cinnamon, the salt and baking soda, mix it well, dump all of the prepared dry ingredients and mix it. You don't wanna over mix it, so you just mix it until you don't see not too much all of the dry ingredient. That looks good. And I'm gonna put 1.5 cups of rolled oat. When the oat and the flour mixture is almost mixed, you put the dry raisin. If you do not like raisin, you can substitute with the cranberry. If you want to put nut, walnut will be nice. The dough is ready, and I'm gonna scoop it out with my ice cream scooper. This is probably 3 tablespoons, pretty big one. And then my oven has been heated up to 350, and then I'm gonna show you when I actually scooping out the cookie dough. I line my baking sheet with parchment paper, and then here's the ice cream scoop. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scoop it. So you just like that. Make sure to have a gap between them in at least 2 inches. I do not press down my cookie dough, because what's gonna happen is while it's baking, it's gonna actually kind of make themselves rounder. So if you blend it down right now, it's gonna be kind of become very thin and then brittle, and then sometimes it's just too soft. I don't want it. So where I do that is I put it in a bowl like that and then bake it. And then what I'm looking for is the outer edge is a little bit crispy, and then inside the circle is more gooey, still soft. And then that's the perfect time for me to pull it out. So it's gonna be baked at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. I will probably check on it around the 12-minute mark to making sure that it's not gonna be overbaked. I just pull it out from the oven. I just want to show you what is the right amount of bake you should do for, somewhat chewy and tender, but not brittle and thin. because I want to have my cookie that has like very good body. So when you actually touch it, it should be somewhat soft. So if you take it out your cookie, when outer side, all of them is like really hard, when it cool down, it's gonna be very crunchy cookie. I don't want to have a crunchy cookie. I want to have chewy and soft. As you can see, that is soft, but it's cooked, and then it's gonna cool down, and then it's gonna be delicious. My oatmeal raisin cookie baked really well. I left it on a wire rack for 30 minutes, so it's now time for us to actually taste it. Okay, it's very soft, and then it's soft and gooey as well. It's almost size of my palm. It's pretty good cookie and very big as well. And then let me cut it like this. Look at this. So wonderfully gooey and soft. And then you can just like take it out with your hands. But anyway, I'm gonna taste it. It's really good. Like I said, it's chewy and soft, soft cookie. Now I can taste raisin, I can taste oatmeal, I can taste the nuttiness from the brown sugar. The cinnamon is the biggest star of this cookie. This is such a wonderful cookie. I hope you enjoy watching my video. And then when you try my recipe, please let me know how yours turns out in the comment box below. Until next time, happy cooking and baking. Thanks for watching.